welcome back to Mark's workshop. Currently, the next part, as I said, we've got the motor in the car, and now we need a tail shaft. So, got a standard. Well, it's a Toyota Lexus / VP Holden tail shaft. This yoke is 6 1/4 inches long, but we need another 45 millimeters to extend it. So I did go to one of the tail shaft companies here in Brisbane, and for what we're doing, the price was just out of reach for what we had to do. So I've ordered an 8-inch long uni out of the US, $90 from the US, which should work perfect. So it's got 1310 unis. Obviously I've bought, this is only a safety thing, so it doesn't really come into the price of it. There's 2 new uni joints. I do have a brand new center bearing somewhere. I've got to find it. They're only $55 or something, delivered for 2 unis. What else is there? I bought a boost valve to adjust the boost pressure. Just a cheap thing. It was like $16.99 delivered off eBay. I don't know how they do the shit so cheap, but anyway, so it's just a cheapie, no name brand. That's coming today, and yeah, so when the new yoke gets here, we'll be rebuilding the whole thing. As I said, I've got a center bearing somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'll find it, but it's in here somewhere. But yeah, we need to make this shaft longer, so hopefully it all works out. And the unit I'm getting is actually, obviously it's a 27 spline, just so Powerglide 350s, turbo 700s, and the one we're getting is actually for a speedway car out of the US, because they have long suspension travel, so that's what we need for that. And I'll put up a bit of video about something else we've obviously got on the bourbons this afternoon, and had a bit of fun. But I've always said I'm a hoarder. It's something we're going to drag out. I've actually got an old Go Power water brake engine dyno. So we're gonna drag all of it out and put it together, and don't know if we're gonna run this motor on it, but it's gonna take a bit of time. But one of our videos we'll have a crack at actually dynoing an engine on a water brake. I have everything for it, which is the computer, data logger. I've had it for probably 10 plus years now and never done nothing with it. But yeah, as I said, we got on the bourbons this afternoon and just had some fun. So Chevy spline. I do have a Ford spline. This adapter takes anything. Ford, Chrysler, Chevy. Yeah, so it's a Go Power. It's only rated to 800 horsepower, but I have everything to put it together. I've just never used it. It's like one of my many hoards of the things I've ever done. So, but the main thing is tail shaft. Get that done. New unis, new center bearing, new uni again, plus an 8-inch slip yoke out of a speedway car in the US. And that's but yeah, so excuse me on the other videos, bit of swearing in the background of us being on the bourbons, as I said. But yeah, this is all from a 12-second challenge, and this is just a bit of fun later on down the track. And we're just talked about today, we have some old motors here, we don't care. Hopefully to get it running, and we'll actually, if they blow up, they blow up. We just want to have a bit of fun with them. So yeah. All right, so hopefully next week we should have a bit more done on the exhaust manifolds, and get that back in the car, the turbo. Hopefully have something done to try and mount that up. All right, thanks. If you like it, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Oh yeah, fair enough. Look at the fucking baby stuff. Oh damn! Holy fuck! There's definitely no restriction there.
No.
I think we can. What are they?
Mufflers.
No.
They're truck mufflers.
Oh, what a pulsar.
They're rated to 2,000 horsepower or something.
Pulsar mufflers.
Hush puppies or whatever they call them.
It doesn't look like much.
Hot dogs.
Yeah, it's too old. It doesn't look like it's a radio like fucking. Things look alright. I don't know if there is like a water break or something, or how do they work? From a water break.
So that's it.
Fuck yeah.
So in here, that part in
original
there,
hub, single spinner hub dyno.
it's a proper water brake.
Yeah,
so
right.
what bolts onto there, see that blue plate there?
Oh yeah,
One there.
So that bolts onto it.
anodized from back in the day.
There's the hose. For you.
Which way do we do it? I can't remember. So that's there's a Chevy bell housing here somewhere, which bolts to it.
Underneath it.
I don't know. Been that fucking-
Underneath it.
Oh, that's a clutch. But that's like that's a direct drive out of a speedway car, so we can hook it up direct to the spline.
2 grams. So
And
How do you actually read the horsepower bar?
okay.
it's over here.
No, it has a
No,
bolt.
but is
So
it
this will bolt straight to the back of your
Yeah,
LS.
but how do you get that to an actual fucking like not digital, but an actual number reading? That's what I want to know. What converts it, or is it some fucking mathematical equation?
No, it's a fucking flying computer for it.
Oh, like an old school fucking computer. Oh, I believe it. Oh, look out.
I think it's the Apple 64.
Commodore 64. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, that's a
That's
fuck.
An Apple 64.
Well, another set of rollers.
They haven't made those yet, Russ.
So here,
They will.
Yeah, not one more.
here's the computer off it.
Fuck yeah! Look at the size of that.
It's old. Like, the
That's
computers
fair,
these days are
fair
this
enough,
big.
yeah, fair
That's a fucking. That's a filing cabinet.
Commodore
cunt.
64.
That's a filing cabinet.
You
Fuck
still
off,
got him in
it's a
gun.
computer.
That's it.
So that's part of the computer. And then there's here.
That's part of it.
Here's the data logger.
Where's the fucking intercooler? The data logger.
Holy shit.
That's like a Haltech section nowadays.
That's the USB chip.
There's the data logger or the
But
fucking.
it'd give the same readout, wouldn't it? As any
No, it's a
new
proper-
shit. Yeah.
Fuck you, carbies. Fuck you.
That's a blow through.
And
That's a
somewhere on-
carburetor of computers. That's a Holly 650.
This is the computerized smart
of computers.
Oh, there's the clutch out of it. Part of the clutch. There's more in there. There's another box here somewhere which has got all the.
Oh, have you got Steve Jobs here? You fucking leave the way somewhere.
But that's what we got to get it going for.
Fuck, it'd be awesome, man. It would be so cool.
Jobs out of the fucking blonde coat.
Wow. That's funny as shit. I'll send that to you, mate.
That's sick.
So
The original up dyno.
it's, oh, sorry. Water comes out here. Something in there here. So that's the pressure for the transducer things, and that goes to read the RPM.
Yep.
So that those two between those between those two is what gives you your fucking the horsepower.
Yeah,